So in this Visme tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram story highlight cover here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app here on your phone, make sure you go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Then once you're here under project type, go ahead and press on social media. Now once you're here, if you want to go ahead and create an Instagram story highlight cover, so that's sort of the little graphic you see on your Instagram page that highlights sort of like a save story on your profile. So slide this bar at the top here all the way to the right, and what this is going to do is actually find you guys the proper dimensions in order to create an Instagram story highlight cover. So keep sliding this all the way to the right, and where it says right here Instagram story highlight covers, go ahead and press on that right there. Now what you can do from here is either just press on a blank template if you want. This will give you the proper dimensions to create whatever you want, but if you want to use some other ones that are already created, feel free to go do so. So if you just wanted to do this one right here, maybe you have a real estate page, simply just press on real estate, for example. You can scroll whatever one you want, select whatever template you want, and once that is done, it's just going to take a couple seconds here to actually load, but once that is done, it's a pretty straightforward process on how you guys can create an Instagram story highlight cover here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.